Hello everybody, this is Lonnie B. King coming to you live. It's the Food Truck Vendor Family Funday. This Sunday at the Independence Heights North Main Street Marketplace. This Sunday, May 23rd, 2021 from 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. We bringing back North Main Street, located at 7203 North Main Street in Houston, Texas. This shop with a variety